It's Saturday and it's Barkspeed time. Run VT, Errol. Well, welcome back to Barkspeed, everybody. It's Saturday today. Worked yesterday, couldn't come down, but I'm down here today. I've done a bit of painting. I'll try and get some footage off, and then I'll show you in a minute what I've done. Right, welcome back everybody. It's Barkspeed time, it's Saturday, and this week I am tackling the inside of the doors, just to give them a coat of blue so that when we do the final coat, we have got something that is the same colour on the inside. Obviously, most of this stuff here is going to be covered up, but the door shuts are still on display. So here you see me giving them a once over and a bit of paint. So here you can see me just giving the panel a wipe over with pre-paint just to get all the dust off of it ready, and also removing that piece of trim there for later. I'll put that back. But yeah, this is just pre-paint. We just rub this on, it takes all the dust away. After you've blown it, obviously you need to blow the dust away, but I didn't blow it inside, I blew it out. And this is what we're doing, the same as we did with the doors. So just blowing in all around the areas that possibly could be seen from outside, and then I'm going to give it a coat. Obviously this has already had primer on it, so it doesn't really need to have any other thing other than a little tickle, which is what I've done. And then obviously we're just giving it a coat of blue. So I've painted the inside of the bonnet, blown it over in Tahuti blue. I've painted the inside of this door, blown that over in Tahuti blue. And I've done the inside of the boot lid in Tahuti blue. Also painted 3 of the hinges. I haven't done the other one yet because I ran out of fizz, but I don't really want to do that today because it's going to generate dust. Okay, so this has been done, that's been done, that's been done. 3 of the hinges have been done. So I'm going to leave it for now, but I'm going to come back hopefully tomorrow and do the next hinge and just blob a bit of paint on that as well. But as it stands at the moment, the whole car, bar the roof, is painted in Tahuti blue. So that means it's all top coat from here on. It's all top coat. And hopefully this week coming, I should get some news about my engine. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. Stay safe, be cool, and if you can't, watch my videos. Cheers.